Hi everyone, my name is Mamta Motiani. I'm from Designs by Mamta, and today I'm going to show you a stitch which is called Triple Treble. And this is a yarn which I'm going to use. This is size 4 worsted weight yarn, which is Karen Simply Soft in light green color, and a 5 mm crochet hook. Okay, so let's begin. I'll begin with 20 chains. One, two, sorry, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so let's begin the treble. Now treble is done with 4 yarn overs over the hook, and you leave one. See, if it is DC, then you leave 3 chains in the beginning, and if it is treble, then you leave 4 chains in the beginning. If it's a double treble, then you leave 5 chains, and when it is triple treble, then you leave 6 chains in the beginning, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4 times yarn over tightly, snugly. Okay, not tightly, snugly. And then you insert the hook in the 6th chain, yarn over, pull yarn through. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on hook, 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 yarn over, and pull through 2 loops on hook. So you see, you get a long bar like stitch, and it increases the length to up to 6 chains. So let's do another triple treble, and this is yarn over 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Insert the hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Yarn over, insert hook in next chain, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, and last time yarn over and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. You see how I'm holding the yarn overs? I'm holding it very snugly. I'm not holding it loosely. If you hold it loosely, this is what happens. Okay, let me show you. 4 times. Okay, if I hold it loosely, then this is what happens. You increase the length of the bar of the triple treble. Otherwise, you get a nice stitch like this, bumpy stitch like this. So you don't want that to happen. What you do is you hold the yarn overs snugly over your hook, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then when you insert the hook, make sure that it is close to the loops. Yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through. I would suggest holding this previous chain, or the chain or stitch into which you are making the triple treble snugly, so that it doesn't move, and it makes the stitch firmer. Yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull yarn through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, and pull yarn through 2 loops on hook. So this is how triple treble is done. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a pattern in which I have used this stitch. This is my new pattern. Okay, this is my new pattern, which it's a necklace pattern. Okay, it's called Key to My Heart, and I have used it over here. So at the end where there's a heart like design over here, so I have used it over here, and I wanted to show you this stitch so that it is easier for you to make this necklace in case if you decide to make this one. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and uh, to make the triple treble. So have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.